So today's September 6th. We have Canadice seedless grapes here. They are beautiful, beautiful, tightly clustered grapes. They are, my baby started to eat some grapes off of this. They are really good for kids. These are great for cool short summers like what we have here in Seattle, and it's just so sexy. The cluster is so beautiful. It is a slip-sin variety, meaning it slips out. So the skin I really don't like, but the inside flavor tastes excellent. It's a nice sweet tart. You know, it's not like very, very sweet, but this sweet tart, it tastes great. I think it's a nice balance of sweet tart flavor. The fruit is medium size. It's not gonna get any bigger, but they are really attractive. I just can't eat the skin. It's just so tough. But the flavor, I love it. But the skin, I don't. Otherwise, this I really like it. It's just let's keep it short, and we'll see you next time.